Witness the human body in its purest form. As warm chai rises toward the lips, every organ stands ready. Brain alert, lungs steady, heart alive. This is the beginning of a journey where a single sip awakens life inside. As chai enters the stomach, a wave of warmth flows downward. Digestive acids spark to life, swirling in harmony as the stomach begins its delicate work, breaking down every drop with precision. Deep within the small intestine, chai transforms into energy-rich particles. Villi reach out like living sensors, absorbing each glowing nutrient and sending it into the bloodstream with breathtaking efficiency. Now the body comes alive. Nutrients race through arteries and veins, lighting every organ, every muscle, every cell. The body radiates with power, fueled by the essence of chai. As chai's nutrients reach the brain, a spark of clarity ignites. Neurons fire faster, connections strengthen, and focus intensifies. The mind shifts into a higher state of awareness. In the muscular system, chai becomes pure strength. Muscle fibers absorb its nutrients, glowing with renewal as energy spreads through every tendon and tissue. Inside the gut, balance is restored. Beneficial microbes thrive, digesting effortlessly as the intestines glow with renewed harmony. Chai becomes a catalyst for smooth, natural digestion. A surge of life pulses from the center of the body. Light spreads outward through organs, muscles, and cells, transforming chai's warmth into pure, vibrant energy. For some, chai may challenge the stomach. The lining becomes irritated, turning red as inflammation rises, signaling discomfort deep within the digestive tract. When sensitivity occurs, the body responds instantly. Skin reddens, blood vessels expand, and histamine levels surge, creating visible signs of an allergic reaction. Chai's sweetness can overwhelm the bloodstream. Glucose particles multiply rapidly, crowding red blood cells and causing a sudden spike in blood sugar. When the body struggles, its inner glow fades. Mitochondria slow, cellular energy drops, and the entire system enters a state of fatigue, leaving the body dim and drained.